A national consulting firm recently surveyed 1.6 million American elementary school students, finding that on average, they were about 5 months behind in their learning. Now, it's up to teachers to try to close that gap.
Who wants to go first?
The first few years of school are the building blocks for how much and how well children learn. The pandemic has produced a precarious situation where a kid's academic career could crumble early on. 6-year-old Ricky Dukes fell far behind in kindergarten last year. His mom, Victoria, says it was a total loss.
With counting, with writing, with spelling, he really didn't learn anything.
Unconvinced the North Shore School District would be able to meet Ricky's needs, his mom, Victoria, pulled him from school this year to teach him at home, along with all 3 of her other kids. Victoria knows turning her 3-bedroom apartment into a 4-student schoolhouse will be difficult, but she feels she has no other choice.
It hurt a lot because I knew my kids weren't getting the education that they needed. They weren't being taught what they needed to know to get to the next level.
For those who are returning to the classroom, teachers are preparing for a challenging year ahead. Victoria Dowdy teaches 4th grade at Arlington's Eagle Creek Elementary. She says there will be a strong focus on literacy. She will tailor assignments to each child's needs and work more in small groups to keep everyone on track.
It's not going to be easy, but with a lot of hard work and perseverance with both the teaching staff and the students, you can make up a lot of missed time.
There are no hard numbers for how far back students have slid. Districts will have to rely on their teachers to assess each student individually to keep any from sliding even farther behind.
We're absolutely worried that kids didn't have a typical schooling experience last year, that they may come in with bigger gaps than before. At the same time, kids are resilient.
Teachers also tell us they will be having much more communication, both with students and families from day one, to make sure they stay on top of any concerns. Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.